Have you ever watched someone swirl a glass of whiskey, take a tiny sip, and somehow look like they're unlocking the secrets of the universe? If you've ever wondered whether there's actually a right way to drink whiskey, the answer is yes, but it's much simpler than most people think. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know about drinking whiskey the right way. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to enjoy your favorite bottle even more, these tips will help you appreciate every sip like a pro. Let's get started. First, let's clear up one common myth. There is no perfect way to drink whiskey. The best way is the one you enjoy the most. However, learning the traditional tasting method helps you understand the flavors before you decide how you like it. The first step is choosing the right glass. Believe it or not, your glass can make a big difference. Many whiskey lovers prefer a Glencairn glass because its narrow opening concentrates the aromas, making it easier to smell all the subtle notes. A tulip-shaped tasting glass works just as well. If you're simply relaxing at home, a classic rocks glass is also a great choice, especially if you're planning to add ice. Avoid drinking good whiskey from plastic cups or large tumblers because they don't allow you to fully experience the aroma. Now that you've got the right glass, it's time to pour. You don't need to fill the glass. A small pour of about 1 to 2 ounces is enough. Whiskey is meant to be savored, not rushed. Before taking a sip, spend a few seconds looking at the whiskey. Notice the color. Is it pale gold, deep amber, or rich mahogany? The color often reflects the type of barrel used and how long the whiskey has matured. While color doesn't always tell you the quality, it gives you clues about the whiskey's character. Next comes one of the most important steps, smelling the whiskey. Many beginners skip this part, but aroma is responsible for a huge part of what we taste. Instead of sticking your nose deep into the glass, hold it just above the rim. Take gentle, slow breaths. You might notice hints of vanilla, caramel, honey, oak, dried fruits, chocolate, spices, or even smoke depending on the style of whiskey. Take your time. Every smell prepares your brain for the flavors you're about to experience. Now comes the first sip. Don't take a big gulp. Instead, take a very small sip and let it coat your tongue for a few seconds before swallowing. This first sip wakes up your taste buds, especially if you're drinking a higher proof whiskey. After swallowing, notice how the flavors change. Some whiskeys start sweet and finish spicy. Others begin smoky and end with notes of chocolate or dried fruit. The second sip is usually where the real magic happens. Your palate is now adjusted, allowing you to detect flavors you completely missed during the first sip. Pay attention to 3 stages. The arrival, the flavor when the whiskey first touches your tongue. The mid-palate, the flavors that develop while it's in your mouth. And the finish, the lingering taste after you swallow. A long, pleasant finish is often a sign of a well-crafted whiskey. Now let's answer one of the biggest questions. Should you drink whiskey neat, with water, or with ice? The answer depends on both the whiskey and your personal preference. Drinking whiskey neat means enjoying it exactly as it comes from the bottle. This gives you the purest experience and is often recommended when tasting a new bottle. Adding a few drops of water can actually enhance many whiskeys. Water helps release aromatic compounds, making certain flavors easier to detect. You don't need much, just a few drops can make a noticeable difference. Ice is another popular choice. Ice cools the whiskey and reduces the intensity of the alcohol. It's perfect for people who find whiskey too strong. However, remember that melting ice gradually dilutes the whiskey, changing its flavor over time. If you want a cold drink without too much dilution, consider using whiskey stones. Now let's talk about common beginner mistakes. The first mistake is drinking too fast. Whiskey isn't meant to be treated like a shot. Slow sipping allows you to appreciate the layers of flavor, The second mistake is judging a whiskey after just one sip. Many great whiskeys reveal themselves slowly. The third mistake is assuming expensive always means better. Some affordable bottles deliver incredible quality, while some premium bottles simply reflect rarity or branding. Another mistake is adding too much ice or too much mixer before tasting the whiskey on its own. Give it a chance first. Once you know how it tastes neat, you can decide how you enjoy it best. What about food pairings? Whiskey pairs beautifully with many foods. Mild bourbons often complement grilled meats, pecan pie, or dark chocolate. Smoky Scotch pairs wonderfully with smoked salmon, aged cheeses, or barbecue. Irish whiskey goes well with roasted chicken, apple desserts, and creamy cheeses. Trying different combinations can completely change your tasting experience. Now here's a fun tip used by experienced whiskey drinkers. Keep a simple tasting notebook. Every time you try a new whiskey, write down the bottle name, where you had it, what flavors you noticed, and whether you'd buy it again. Over time, you'll discover your personal preferences. Maybe you love sweet bourbon with caramel notes. Maybe you're drawn to smoky Islay Scotch. Or perhaps smooth Irish whiskey becomes your favorite. There's no wrong answer. Whiskey appreciation is a journey, not a competition. Finally, remember one important thing. You don't have to pretend you taste flavors you can't find. If someone says they detect leather, sea salt, toasted almonds, and tropical fruit, but all you notice is vanilla and oak, that's perfectly fine. Your palate develops with experience. The more whiskeys you try, the more flavors you'll naturally recognize. So, how do you drink whiskey the right way? Choose a proper glass. Pour a small amount. Observe the color. Smell it carefully. Take slow, small sips. Experiment with a few drops of water or ice if you like. Drink slowly, enjoy the moment, and discover what tastes best to you. At the end of the day, whiskey isn't about showing off. It's about relaxing, appreciating craftsmanship, and enjoying every sip. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more whiskey tips, reviews, and beginner-friendly guides. Thanks for watching, and until next time, cheers!